How to fix activation failed on Viber. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix activation failed on Viber. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to fix your Viber activation failed problem, you'll need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection first. So check for your Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, or you can also use your mobile data. After you've done that, just make sure on the Viber your country code and your mobile number are entered correctly. After you've done that, you can then check for any SMS blocking apps. So to check for that, you can simply see if your default is on messages or somewhere else. Open up your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down. Then you should see apps option on the bottom. Tap on it. And after you've done that, search for messages. After you find messages, open it up. Now, right here, make sure that the default messaging app is messages, right here. And check for all the messages in the messages app. After you've done that, you can also use an alternative method, that is, you can activate your Viber via call. So you can try to activate via call. And after that, you can also request the code again after a short while. Now, if all of that does not work, you can always try to clear out the cache of your Viber. To do that, open up your settings. Let me just head back. Now, after you're on your settings, what you'll need to do is just go to your general. After you're on general, go to iPhone storage. Then search for Viber. Now what we are planning on doing here is we just want to clear out the cache from our Viber. So go to Viber from here. Then offload the app. Tap on offload. And then offload it. And then your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.